Whoa. Got going on here. Move this thing over. Can't see. Oh, there we go. Actually, that's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Elements. Nice. Browser. Whoops. Okay, that's actually fine. Sub-goal. I feel like my video is bigger than before. Just gonna go over quickly to look at iOS dev jobs. Not the actual website though. iOS dev jobs. I'm gonna search Google for that. Because I just want to see, just want to double check, go in and look at like certain jobs that require that were for Specific iOS development. Ah, yeah, okay. Um, oop. What else here? Testing. What else was there here? Oh yeah, this one. I want to take a photo of this here. This will be useful for me. Retuning using tools like instruments. Technologies. There we go. Great. Oh man. Oh man? What does that mean? Where is, I need this thing. Jeez, man, my mouse, I swear, never dies. So good. Oh shit. Gotta move this thing away. So I've got like no space at the moment here. It's a weird setup as well. Definitely a new setup for me. Don't need to set that up. That. And let's Bluetooth connect to this keyboard I've got here. Who the hell is Andy? It should show up. What the hell? Why is it not showing up? Question is already working. No, it's not working already. Yeah, there's a button to activate Bluetooth. Hold on. DHADSE. Bluetooth activate. What have I done? Did I do it? Did I do it? Yes, I did. Let's go. Connect that keyboard. Connect that damn keyboard, son. Sorry, I'm being weird. I don't know why. Oh, I think I'm just excited to be back finally live with a new MacBook. Bruz, can you please connect to the keyboard? Hello? No? Hello? Maybe I fucked it up? Sorry, I know you can't see what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to get the thing to connect the keyboard that I've got here because it's new. I haven't had a chance to even set up this stuff. It's already late. I've had to work all day. Come on, man. Connect. Let me connect, please. Bro. How do I do this? Is it 3 or what? Okay, I need a video. Hold on. Let me just mute this. Okay, we are in. Hello, Florian. How's it going? Here we go. I'm going into my Swift Learning here. I'm gonna grab my headphones in a second.
This is your brain.
A lot of ads playing at the moment. Skip that. Here we go. I'll just chuck this on the screen as well. Screen capture. Web. Safari. Whoa, hold on. Sorry about that. That was out of control there. Here we go. And that is massive. Why is it so big? Great spot to pause on. I'm just gonna shrink that a bit. Oops. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoops. This helps keep it immersive. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Cool. Bit big. So drop it down. Drop it down. That's a bit big too. Make that a bit smaller. I don't know where to put that. Maybe there. Damn, we're not gonna make it actually with the goal. That's fine. I didn't even really make that goal anyway. It was just random. Okay. Cool. Let's do this thing. I'm so excited to get back into this. I wish. One thing I just want to quickly check though is how to. Can you transfer Xcode preferences? Primary file transfer is library/preferences.com com.apple.dtxcode plist, which stores your settings. Additionally, you can transfer the contents of the user data directory to carry over any key bindings codes. I should do that for my other Mac, actually. We can just go with this for now. We have it here, so there's going to be more time wasted. I'll do it later. Thank you, anyone who joined. Welcome. Gonna start here. Start this. Let's go. Actually, make this bigger. Now I realize, too big, but that's fine. Looks good.
All right, welcome back, everybody. My name is Nick. This is Swiftful Thinking, and as promised,
Too
the
loud.
last
Sorry.
video we looked at how to manually loop on collections. We wrote a bunch of for
Really weird.
loops, so we went for item in the collection, and we looped on the item manually. Swift also has a bunch of
This is
convenience
audio? Jeez. I make it 4K, has it?
methods for us, so that we don't.
Okay, sorry, I'm just testing my audio. It sounds really weird. Oh. That's so weird. My headphones are in like some like audio mode. What the hell? Why does it have to do this? What's the noise? The hell? Just heard two very weird noises. What is going on? This is so strange.
Roll call for the
Okay, that sounds fine. Something's very weird.
Actually have to write that manual loop if we
I think it's some weird thing going on with OBS for some reason. Just make sure my audio is going through my. Hold on. Is that why? Right. Let's try it one more time here.
are doing certain things. And so
I think. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, I knew it. The thing kept trying to like auto jump to my AirPods audio mic.
three of the most common things that we do when we're writing those loops is filtering, sorting, and mapping. So filtering is if you take my original array and I want to filter it for every item in the array with some specific subset of data. That's a filter. Sorting is just what it sounds like. If we want to take all the items in an array and then put them in a certain order, that's sorting. And then mapping means we're going to map or transform a data type from one type to another. So for example, if I have an array of...
Should I switch to Monday CRM?
Oh my god.
Updating this field is so confusing. This CRM sucks. Is it me? Am I?
some struct here and I want to convert it to an array of string, I can map it from one type to another. In this video, we're going to look at the methods for all three of those, which I think are incredibly powerful when you start actually building apps. The next playlist I recommend after this is the SwiftUI Bootcamp. In that playlist, we're going to learn the basics of how to build screens. And it's going to take us a while before we actually start writing a ton of data on the screens. And so I don't know if you're going to use these methods every day starting today, but I think it's good to at least have them in your toolbox.
Wait. Why
And
are we? This is basics. What are we? Bro, this is not what I. Are you kidding me? Where does my stuff save? Seriously, isn't watch later? Bunch of things got added here recently. Hasn't been that long, has it? Bro, where do my videos get saved? I don't understand. What is going on? I save them always into here, or the other one. Why are they not here? Holy moly. Are you kidding me? Swift learning. Dude. No. Okay, whatever. Let's just go back. We gotta go in here. We have to. Gotta go back here. We gotta go into the crypto app. And down here.
Would you buy this property if you knew that it would cost you $10,000 in negative cash flow in the first year? What about if you...
Shut up, brother.
What's up, everyone? I'm Nick. This is Swiftful Thinking, and I'm very curious if you guys are liking the music in these videos, because every playlist I've been changing up the music, and I'm really liking this one. But anyway, in the last video, we created these rows that we can house some of our coin data on. And in this video, we're going to create a list that's going to house a bunch of rows. So by the end of this video, we're going to be able to put a bunch of coins on the screen. And we're going to also add a little bit of animation so that we can navigate between two different lists.
Yay.
One list is going to hold all of the coin data, just the generic coin data, and then another list is going to hold all of the coins that are actually in the current user's portfolio. So the code in this video is actually pretty easy, but we're getting ready so that when we actually do download all this data from the internet, we are ready to just display it on the screen.
All right, welcome back, everyone. I am back in our Xcode project, of course. In the last video, we set up these rows that we can then put into our view. And here's what the rows look like. And if I open up the simulator quick on our final product, we can see how those rows are going to look awesome. But we have not set up this list yet, and that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to set up this list so that once we do download data, we have our list ready to actually show that data. And we're going to also set up the list on the portfolio tab. So on the second tab, we have another list here.
Okay, one sec. Let me just sort this thing out here. Okay. Okay. sec, I need to quickly change something again. Let's see here. Okay, let's see. They should be fine. Whoa, what happened?
Which is pretty
There we go.
exciting. All right, without further ado, let's jump into the code here. And I'm going to go into the home
Oh,
view
let's jump in.
where we have our, right now we just have our home header. And below the home header, let's put in a list.
I'm gonna click this. See what it looks like. See how long it takes to set this up. We're in the M4 now, M4 Pro, not the M1 anymore. We are next level speed boost. We literally got the things.
Open.
So in here, VStack, home header, we're going to keep this, I think, but wait, what's with the padding dot horizontal? I was like, is it for home header? Wait, did he get rid of that? Error. 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 Really? Now there's an error? It used to work. Well, apparently he got rid of that, so forget that. So we'll do a list like him.
Brackets. And for right now, let's just add one fake coin. So we'll say coin row view, which
We actually have that here, right? Coins. But we want to place coin row view in, right? So it's different.
set up in the last video.
Let me get this this nice chill music going here, so we can get a vibe when I'm pausing it and talking. I'll shuffle this one for now. I'm gonna add the audio here. Audio input capture, audio. Audio output capture was deprecated? Oh, how do you get audio now? Is it just media source now? Sorry. Oh, no, that doesn't work. Audio input capture? I don't think so.
No, 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 no.
Gonna
Gonna delete that.
Hey,
Hey,
Uncat.
Uncat.
Hello. How's it going? I'm good. Bit tired. I've been working all day, but good. How are you? Did I say that already? How are you? Started my first project. A notes app with decent authentication system and basic CRUD. Oh! Awesome. I like it. What do you mean by authentication system, by the way? What does that mean? We'll add filter, perfect. Sorting, perfect. Real-time search, awesome. And pagination. What language do you do that in again? Oh, macOS audio capture. There we go. Now we know. Music. Some chill music vibes there. A JavaScript. Okay. Cool. That's gonna be interesting. You should post some updates as you're going into the Discord, because I'd love to see what the code actually looks like for that when you do that type of thing. I'm interested to see like how it differs with Swift, because I've done that type of app, and I think I know quite decently how to do it. So it'd be interesting to compare if you get a chance to do that.
This video.
I gotta move this. By authentication, I mean user will first has to sign up with OTP verification, and when they log in, they can also log back in. Oh, okay. So it's like online, like an online notes system, kind of like faux cloud-based kind of thing. Hey, Loop, what's up? I'm pretty good. Just a bit tired. Streaming a bit late today. I definitely wanted to get some time in on Swift, back into Swift. But I spent a bit of time because I didn't get much time, like, even in these past 2 days to, like, even set up my new Mac. So, I'm streaming on it now, which is awesome, but I had to set up a few things still. I made the verification system myself, and it's not imported. I didn't mean imported. I just meant, like, are you like simulating an online environment where you would like normally log in to access your notes? Yeah, man. Unfortunately, there was an accident with my other Mac. A drink ended up getting spilled on it, so I had to buy a new one. But hold on one sec. I'm gonna add a video here, and I can actually show you with my phone, which is crazy. No one can ever tell me that Mac is not superior, because watch this. Where's my video? Video capture device. I can just add my phone in here and check this out. My virtual, it's not even virtual. It's literally my phone here. Look at this. We're popping off with this new Mac. Sorry, that's a weird way to say that, but I love it. It's awesome. This is my desk, by the way. I don't think any of you guys have ever seen it. I've never shown it off. Yeah, I know. Setup reveals. Gotta have that Kirby back there sneaking a peek. Yes, I'm doing that. People will only see their own notes. That's awesome, man. That sounds really cool. I'll try to post updates, but I like to make my code modular so it's broken in many files folders. That's fair. That's fair. If you Balba, if you get a chance with the CRUD at least, like it'd be interesting to see the CRUD stuff. Well, let's look at this warp here. That is one of my favorite characters. That is oh shit, one of them's falling down, like some Star Wars stuff. So we've got Carnage over there in the back. I don't think, can you, how do I can't focus it, but we got a little Carnage flat figure there. This is one of my favorite characters from Spider-Man. This is Scarlet Spider. Then we've got one of my all-time favorite superheroes, Superman, here in Henry Cavill form. Then we've got Spirited Away, because I absolutely love that anime movie from Studio Ghibli. We've got a apparently very dusty octopus. It's a squishy octopus. Like a stress ball kind of octopus from my friend for my birthday, I believe. Then we've got Bulbasaur, the starting Pokemon. And then this one is Venusaur, the ultimate evolution of that, the third evolution. You should watch Spirited Away. I'm trying to, hold on. Can I do sideways? Is that still properly? I'm trying to zoom out. This is my desk. It's a bit messy, but it's I don't know, it's not too bad. I need a new monitor here. That would be cool. And then yeah, that box. Actually, I kind of like the box, on the box setup when I'm streaming, because it's kind of like up a little bit higher. Don't have to, like, you know, look down at my Mac when I'm looking up at this screen here. So yeah. Anyway, that was pretty good. Disconnect that. There we are. That's so awesome that I can just like whip my phone out and show the freaking wireless visual of like whatever my phone's looking at. I also bought a MacBook M3 Pro, 18 gigabytes, 512 2 months ago. One of the best, and till date I haven't seen the fan run. Yeah, dude, it's insane. Sorry, fuck, I just accidentally knocked over Kirby. Kirby, come back. Yeah, so thank you, Aniket. Hey, Enigmatic, how's it going? Yeah, man, Loop, these laptops are insane. Like, I wouldn't have even upgraded if my M1 over there hadn't, like, you know, kicked the bucket. So yeah, I mean, they're so incredible. I'll try to finish the authentication today and start CRUD tomorrow. If I manage to finish, I will send some auth ones. Oh, that'd be cool. Yeah, I'd love to see that too. I probably won't have any idea what the hell's going on with it, but it'd be cool to see. Good morning, good night from me. Oh man, I went all the way. I'm at M4 right now. I'm at M4 Pro. This is M4 Pro right here. Were you here? Hold on. Were you here 1 second ago? How do I activate this again? I'll just show you real quick. Wait, how do I... That's the one thing I don't know how to do. Bro, that looks so weird. The desk cam. What the... What am I... What? Oh, that's so weird. Holy shit. Sorry. That looks so weird. Yeah. Yeah, you know, I'm in fucking Nazi land, USA. What? I see some guy bought a broken M1 max 1 terabyte with a broken screen on eBay for just 120. Uses it with external display. Holy shit. I mean, that's pretty much like having a, you know, a desktop, right? Crooked hands. Yeah, so warped. M4 is a dream computer. It is. To be honest, I have leaped a little with my brother's guidance and almost level modularity and syntax. So even I sometimes get confused, but he's got my back. Yeah, man, I remember you telling me your brother was also a really really professional coder. How do you even do this? How do you reconnect the camera? I actually don't even know. That's annoying. Well, it's not perfect. Or maybe I just don't know how to do it. One sec. Just checking something here. How does my Mac already have some sort of fingerprint on it? I don't understand. I literally never touch my screen. I hate people who touch their screens. Like my parents do that all the damn time. They touch it's my mom in particular, not my dad. My dad like gets annoyed at it. Just checking something here. This is some weird like thing on the screen here. I'm so particular with like new MacBooks. Yeah, we're at 916 subs. We're growing. You will learn. If a feature is giving you trouble, remove it. Oh yeah, man. That's a good rule of thumb. You learn that damn Mac. Give it a few streams and you'll know. Yeah. Fingerprints on new lappy. That hurts. Yeah. I know. Rule number 1: never touch our MacBook screen. And I get for sure make an MVP, but learn to add features through GitHub Actions eventually. I just get cloth damp, then it dry a little more before wiping with almost no water in the cloth. What I do, I actually have a special cleaner from Earth. I don't know if you guys know the company, URTH, and they, well, that looks weird. They specialize in like vegan, or I don't know, not vegan, like plant-based, not even plant-based, like eco-friendly based stuff, I should say. Yeah, I've been to Japan. Yeah. Let me just... How to reactivate phone camera on Mac? How do you reconnect continuity camera? That's what I want to know. Follow these steps. Oh, you... Oh, so I have to literally go to my camera settings? Airplane continuity. It's on. What? Doesn't make sense. Huh? Block chat? Chat, we need to shut the fuck up. He's not gonna learn to cut. We distracting. I know. And also, I just wanted to, like, show my table one more time. That's it. And then I was about to continue. Oh, here we go. Hold on. I had to turn it off and on. It's working again. Alright, I can show you real quick. One sec. I'll do it. Alright, so this is my table. Oh, this is my Mac. Check that out. It's so nice with that color. The space black. I can't get over how good the color is. And then we've got this stuff here. So, got an empty glass because I drank all my liquid. We got a Pekin Kirby, and we got some other stuff here. Got a couple. We got 2 Star Wars figures here actually, and then a couple other things here. Spirited Away, and then yeah, the 2 of my favorite Pokemon, and they're directly, you know, connected to each other through an evolution. Yeah, that's my desk setup at the moment. I need a new monitor there, but that's it. Right, how do I? Is that always on, or? Disconnected it. I don't know. I paused it. I don't know if it's gonna. Hopefully it's just, you know, turned off or whatever. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I'm annoyed at my fiance. She just asked me to pick her up from the tram. Fuck, I have to... I have to go pick up my fiance, and it annoys me because I told her I was streaming. And she's coming late from her friends. Ugh. I know. I have to... But it's... Yeah. Like, the thing is, I just don't trust the area as well, so... Yeah. Well, I'm gonna be back anyway, because I'm gonna, you know, do some of it. I'm actually gonna code, instead of just, like... chat for 300 hours. Yeah, I will. Well, yeah. I don't know. Should I just leave it on, or should I just stop and come back? Oh, maybe I'll just stop it. Just to... No one's gonna... You guys can come back in, yeah. If you want, yeah. Alright. I'll catch you guys later if I don't see you again.